Hello friends, so welcome to Crypto, the one-stop solution, and in this video we're going to look at how to set up a Pionex grid trading bot and how to set up the parameters, how to put in the parameters, and what kind of profit does the Pionex grid trading bot can generate for the user. So in this case, I've taken the BTC and USDT pair, and in this case we have two options, that is to use the AI strategy or we can customize as per the user requirement. So if we use the AI strategy and if we are selecting 30 days, then in this case the total amount of profit that is being made as per the past market data, that is equal to 2.32%. So if 30-day period from the past, if the bot is being generated, then total amount of grid profit is 2.32% in 30 days. So if you multiply that by 12, so that will give a yield of a 1 year period. So that is 28.32%. So 28.32% is the grid profit that this bot has been given for the last 30 days. Now the market is not necessary that the market will perform with the same volatility in the past upcoming on days, and that will perform the same in the future days. So from the past data we cannot judge, and it is not guaranteed that the future will be predict the same. In this case, the maximum drawdown was 4.67%. That means, let's say if the user has applied for $100 capital to set up the bot, then the maximum drawdown was minus 4.67% during the last 30 days of period. And total volatility of this bot was 32.16% during the 30-day period. Total price range that the automated strategy is saying us that we should use 14.315 to 19.798 in terms of milli BTC. So in this case, the price range should be 14,315 to 19,798 for BTC price. And this price range is suggested by AI. So that AI is being generated from the support and resistance zone, and in this case we need some amount of balance. So if this amount of balance is not sufficient, then based on number of grids and based on the parameters, the amount that is being necessary we need to put in to set up the bot, and that will fund the bot, and that amount will be equally distributed among all the levels that we are setting up. So let's say we are setting up 10 number of levels and we are investing $100, then total amount of money which is invested in one level, that is equal to $10. Now also we can manually set up the trading bot. So in this case we can customize our requirement. So let us say the current price is 17,000. So for example, we can put the lower limit as 15,000 and we can put the upper limit as 20,000. For example, number of grids, let us say 100. So the total difference will be 20,000 minus 15,000, that is equal to 5,000. So total dollar value of the entire grid is equal to 5,000, and we are providing 100 number of grids in that particular bot. So each and every level will be of $50. So starting level will be 15,000, then 15,050, then 15,100, then 15,150, and so on up till 20,000. And let us say our investment is $100. So it will ask for minimum investment. If our minimum investment is satisfied, then let's say we are investing $100 and that $100 will be equally divided for all the grids. So one grid will have $1 because we have number of grids is 100 and amount of investment is $100. So one grid level will occupy $1 of investment. So in this case, we have one more example of Ethereum. In this case, the lower price is $1,000 and the upper price is $2,000. And the upper limit is 2000, the number of grids is 250, and we need to apply a certain balance, let us say $100 once again, and then we can create the bot. So we just need the lower limit, we just need the upper limit, we just need to set up number of levels, and then we need to put our money to invest into the bot, and that bot will automatically perform the buying and selling as per the market conditions. So in this case, the parameters that we need to apply is lower limit, upper limit, number of grids, and investment amount. So lower limit in this case was 1000, upper limit is 2000, number of grids is 250, and investment amount is $100, for example. So that will be the parameters that is available, that is mandatory to set up the bot. Optional parameters are trigger price, stop loss price, bot close at, and the slippage control. Now what is trigger price? So let us say we are setting from 1000 up till 2000, and the current market price is 1278 for example. So I don't want to set up the bot at the current market price. I want to set up the bot at let's say $1200. So the trigger price can be $1200. So the bot will initiate its working when the price will hit $1200, and the bot will start, and the amount of investment will be done when the price of Ethereum will reach $1200. Next is stop loss price. If the price falls at a certain level, then bot should automatically close, and that is the stop loss price. So let's say this price can be $1100 and so on, to reduce our losses, and close the bot at. So we can take the profit if the bot is initiating, it's working at $1200. I want to close the bot at $1800. Then I can put up $1800 in this value, and when the price of Ethereum will reach $1800, then automatically the bot will close, and the profit in terms of dollar will be booked by the user, and that will go into the wallet of USDT. So all the Ethereum will be sold at $1800 at the market price, and the value of Ethereum will be converted to USDT pair, and the dollars will come into the wallet of the user when the price of Ethereum reaches $1800. And this is slippage control. So when the volume of the market is less, when there is more amount of spread between the buying volume and selling volume, then we can control the percentage of the buying and selling volume, and that is the slippage control. And usually that percentage should be 1 at max 1.5%. So this can be set up as 1.5% at max. Also, we have some advanced settings such as trigger price, stop loss, and close the bot. We have slippage control. We can have 1% at max, grid mode, geometric and arithmetic, and investment in terms of USDT pair or both. So what is grid mode? So grid mode basically means geometric. So the difference of level will be equal. Like for example, if the starting price is 1000 and the final price is 2000, and we are dividing the entire grid in 100 levels. So the starting is 1000. We are going to 2000, number of levels is 100 for example, then in that case each level will have $10 of increment. So starting is 1000, then 1010, 1020, and so on till 2000. So that is a geometric mode. But if we want that it should not be geometric, it should be arithmetic, then that means as we go down toward the 1000 mark, then the amount of spacing will be less as compared to the amount of spacing of the levels which are at the upper end. So that is the arithmetic mode. So equal spacing will not be available in the arithmetic mode, but there is equal spacing which is available in the geometric mode. And investment in terms of USDT and both. So when we are setting the bot at the first place, then if we have Ethereum and USDT both in our wallet, then the user can set to invest the Ethereum and USDT or USDT alone to set up the bot in the first place. So we have talked about the slippage control. So when you create the grid trading bot, due to the price change, your initial buy price might be higher and you may suffer a loss. You can set the initial control price to avoid the big slippage, and usually we are taking as 0% or off condition if volume is high. So next is the grid mode. So in this case, we have grid mode as geometric and arithmetic. You can have the data which is available for you, and this is available on Pionex exchange. So if the spacing is equal, then we can have the arithmetic mode. If spacing is not equal, then it is a geometric mode. So for example, we have arithmetic mode such as 1, 2, 3, and 4. Spacing is equal, but in the case of geometric mode, we have percentage like 1, 2, 4, and 8. So here you can see that the spacing between 1 and 2 and 2 and 4 is not same. Again, the spacing between 2, 4 and 4, 8 is not same. So that is a geometric mode of trading bot. In the case of arithmetic mode, the spacing between the levels is the same. And next is the investment. So in this case, you can choose both and USDT alone. So if you are choosing both, then both the pair, that is USDT and Ethereum, both will be invested into the bot. And if you are choosing USDT alone, then in that case only dollars will be invested to set up the grid trading bot. So here we have discussed, we have the lower limit is 1000 and upper is 2000. The number of grids is 250 and the profit per grid that is equal to $0.1. We are going to discuss in detail how this can be for the user advantage and how this profit can be accomplished and accumulated with respect to time, and total amount of profit will be gained by the grid arbitrage that is happening due to market volatility, and ultimately the user will gain all the money at once when the target profit is hit by the bot. So here you can see that this is the chart of Ethereum. The lower price is 1000 and the upper price is 2000. In this case, the current market price is $1218. And in this case, we are setting the bot at $4 of increments. So this is level number 1. So this is level number 2 and so on. So we have each level at $4 increment. We have $4 of increment for each level. So what the bot will do, when the price will hit, so let's say $1 to $16, then it will buy some Ethereum. Again, when the price will hit at $1 to $12, then the bot will buy some Ethereum. And when the market will go till this point, then what the bot has purchased at $1 to $12, then the bot will sell that Ethereum at $1 to $16. So buying price is 1 to 12 and the selling price is 1 to 16. So there is a price gap. So selling price is more than the cost price. So profit will be generated, and that profit is the arbitrage profit. So let us see how the total profit is calculated. So in this case, the current price is $1 to $18, lower price is $1000, and the upper price is $2000. So this is the highest price, that is 2000. The current price is 1 to 18. Average selling price will be 1609. Now how this is calculated? In this case, the upper price is 2000, lower price is 1 to 18 divided by 2. So the value is subtracted from 2000. So 2000 minus 2000 minus current price divided by 2, and that is equal to 1609. So this is the average selling price that is available for us, and total profit percentage. So profit percentage is 24.3% is the average profit, because the bot closes at $2000 and average selling price is $1609. So the percentage difference between the closing price and the average selling price, that is equal to 24.3%. So this is the average selling profits, that is one component of the profit, and second component is the grid profit. So what is grid? How we can calculate the grid profit? So let us see the grid profit. So this is average selling profit. And this is the grid profit. Now let us look at the average selling profit and grid profit in detail. So the average selling profit for we have $2000 at the high price, current price is 1 to 18, and the average selling price is $1609. The profit percentage is 24.3% of the initial capital. So the initial capital was $1000 and the profit percentage is 24.3%. So the user has made 24 into 10, that is $240 in average selling profit. So this is profit component number 1. Now for the grid profit, initially the investment was $1000, number of levels is 250. So 1000 upon 250, that is equal to $4. So we have 4. Percentage of profit at each level. So this is 0.10%. So this is the arbitrage profit that the bot is making by buying low and selling high. So that is 0.10%. So 0.10% of $4 is equal to $0.004. And let's say the number of arbitrage before the take price was taken by the user, that is 10,000 number of arbitrages. So 10,000 into 0.004, that is equal to $40. So this is the total arbitrage profit. So in all, total profit will be 240 plus 40, that is equal to $280. So in that way we can set up and take the profit and calculate the profit of grid trading bots. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.